Man, I really want to be a real stunter, but I don't know how to look like one with this tiny little bike. Until I had an idea. Put on a 12 bar like all those Suron guys are putting on from Surge Stunts. Except they don't make one for the Razor, so I got this from 50Stunt. I don't know if it's gonna fit. I spoke with 50Stunt. They did not seem confident in it fitting. They actually told me not even to buy it. Bought it anyways. I'm gonna make it fit. Let's do this. So I got the 50Stunt rear hoop kit. It's not the 12 bar kit. They didn't have any of those in stock. It comes with two mounts, one that slides out like this, and one that hooks on the inside like this. Now this frame looks pretty similar to that of an XR50 or a CR50, but it's definitely not exactly the same, so might have to do some drilling or some dremeling or something to get it to work, but I think it's close enough, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. Babe, it's gonna be loud for just a sec. It's just a power tool. I'm just grinding something quick. Well, 50Stunt was right. Of course they were right. But yeah, these mounts don't work with the thickness of the tubing on this bike. So I tried to like drill / Dremel. I don't actually have a Dremel, so I use the drill to try and hollow out more the mounts, but it's just not working. So I don't know, maybe we'll see if I can get someone to just weld it up directly. Otherwise I gotta find mounts for it. All right guys, so we're back. My girlfriend's cooking in the background. It's the next day. Like I said, these clamps didn't work on the stock Razor frame, so I bought these little U-bolts at the recommendation of KG Rallo. They don't fit exact, but I bought 8 of them, so hopefully it'll be tight enough. We're just gonna try and see if it works. Okay guys, so that took forever, but basically I got all of these little clamps on and it seems pretty damn solid. Only time will tell, obviously, but as you can see, just all along the frame here, just all these little clamps. So last thing I'm gonna do is just tighten the top portion here. I just need to tighten this because this is fully adjustable. You can slide it in and out. So I'm gonna put it to right about here. And I'll just need to put this over it. This closes it and tightens it in place so that it won't move anymore. All right, and here it is, guys, fully mounted. So like I said, I use these little U-bolt mounts. There's little metal pieces on them, and I just tightened each one of them. It looks kind of crazy here, like rebar or something, but they're each just tightened. There's 4, or 4 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I secured the bottom to the frame like this. I really hope this holds. And then, like I said, as you can tell on the bottom here, there is a little slit here for this to tighten. So if you have these two things loosened, then this can slide in and out just to adjust the length that it's at. But this should be the right length. Thing looks pretty solid, so let's put on the plastics and see how it looks all put together. Okay, finally, plastics are back on. As usually goes with my bike work, this took way longer than expected, but here's a full view on the foot bar, the 12 bar if you want to call it that. It's not really a scrape bar, it's more of a foot hoop, but it looks sweet. And like I said, the bike is fully supported by it, so you can lift it up, push down the suspension fully. Seems pretty locked in. I mean, the real test will just be when I'm actually able to ride it. We just installed this 12 bar, so we're gonna test it out today, see how durable it is, see if we can scrape it, see if we can use it for knee knockers. I don't know. Now guys, I haven't ridden in over 2 weeks because I was on vacation. This is my first ride back, so probably gonna be a bit rusty. We're getting right back at it. Yeah guys, and I'm currently filming this before the Suron Mega Ride in Texas, and it's been so back and forth on if I'm gonna go or not. And that has primarily to do with the fact that the group I've been talking with, it's just, you know, we need to rent a car and they're gonna drive from New York, blah, 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 just a bunch of stuff. Anyways, here's a look at the bike with the 12 bar. It looks sick, so let's try a knee knocker with it. I want to eventually learn stand-up circles on it, so let's give it a go. Haven't knee knocked in ages. Yeah, my knee is further forward. This will be interesting. All right. Oh, it actually gives me a lot more stability once I'm at balance point in a knee knock. It's also depressing because summer is definitely over. Wearing a full sweatshirt and all. All right, we haven't done our one-handers yet. We're out of practice. Let's get our brake one-hander first because that's easier. All right, now let's get a throttle one-hander. Yeah, I mean, the 12 bar looks sweet. It would be really cool if I could scrape it. That's pretty far back though. And I also don't know if it would bend the frame. I feel like there's a pretty good chance. Hey, puppy. Ooh, we still got it. We still got the finesse. We still got it. Somewhat. Let's do our normal sit-down circles first, and then we can try it maybe standing on the bar. See, sit-downs are very much locked. I don't know, man, it'll be weird on the bar. I always hate it when I come back from not riding for a while. Got the unicycles. Oh, this is beautiful, man. Squirrely! Woo! Some homies just saw me. What up? How we doing? What's good? What's good? Good, good. Just out for a quick rip. Head on down to the art museum. Woo! Oh, wind. Ooh. I feel like I'm needing new pads. I think I'm the sit-down king. All right, let's use this 12 bar. Literally the whole reason I put it on. Well, also to scrape, but you know. Woo. Yeah, it has my knee a little further forward, so it feels interesting. But once you're all the way up at balance point, it actually feels good because your foot is secured in it. But man, to scrape this would be sick. But you got to go all the way back here. That would be fresh though. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these quick clips. I think that's gonna do it for me. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if I'm going to Texas. You guys will find out soon. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time though. Peace.